What if I told you it was possible for you to generate up to $500 a day or more just by watching videos online? Honestly, probably will not even believe in what I'm saying, but I think that's fair because I myself would never imagine about this till I came across this particular website. So as you can see, watching the first video you get paid 61 cents, watching the second video 32 cents, watching the third video 47 cents, and watching the fourth and fifth video you get paid an amount of money which has been allocated there. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to earn $2.48 in less than a minute just by watching videos online. But if you have come across this particular website, I want to let you know that there's still a lot for you to learn because there is this unique strategy which no one is doing, which no one has been taught online, which I'm going to teach you today, in which you can enable you to generate up to $500 or more with this particular website. And the best thing about it is that you can do this from anywhere around the globe. It doesn't matter whether you're from Philippines, whether you're from India, or you're from Africa, or from America, it doesn't matter. You can do this. As you can see on the website, earn money watching new videos online. Just a reminder, I'm going to reveal to you the name of this website as we move forward with this video. I guess right now you might be asking yourself, what type of videos are you going to watch? Commercial ads, movies, and TV shows online. Also, you can refer your friend and earn a bonus of $1, and your friend gets an initial deposit of $5 into the account. Also, talking about getting paid, as the money flows into your account, you can transfer it to your bank account, PayPal, and many other options which I'm going to show you in this video. This particular website has partnered with 1,500 different brands to provide to you videos all the time to watch. If you want to know more about this website, you could just click on the About Us and you're going to know so much about this particular website. So let's get started with the first step on how to watch videos online and get paid. So the first thing you do is you click on sign up. When it opens, you go on to first name, you write your first name, you go and write your last name, you write your birthday, you choose your gender, male or female, you write your email address, then you write your password, and then you click on I'm not a robot to indicate you are not a robot, and the last thing you do is you click on create account. So as you can see, on creation of the account, you have an initial deposit of $5 which is totally free. So by the left hand side, you can see video 1 which you have to watch and get paid 61 cents. So all you need to do is you click on play. When this ad opens, all you need to do is you close it and you go back and click play again. Now the thing is, you don't have to watch the full video. You don't watch the full video. You watch just for this allocated number of seconds which is being shown here. So as you can see, you just need to watch the video for 34 seconds and you are done. Rather than watching the full video, you don't need to watch the full video.
Brain covered to death.
Did we impact for my sunburns?
I think we're in that past sleeper of that. Skip by.
So as you can see, it's done. So you can then click on complete. Then successfully completed, you receive 61 cents. So let's just refresh our dashboard. So as you can see, our new account balance is $5.61. So that's the same thing we should do onto video 2. So if you go on and click on video 2, here you can see the next video. So all you need to do is to click on play. So as I said before, you don't need to watch the full video. All you need to do is just wait for this to finish loading. As you can see, it's just 34 seconds. So it's almost done. Okay, almost done. So that's it, it's over. So what you need to do is it's completed, so you click on complete. Successfully completed, you receive 32 cents. Now let's refresh our dashboard again. You can then see our new account balance is $5.93. So that's the same thing we should do onto the third video. So going on to the third video, let's try again with the third video. You can click on play. So as I said before, if you don't need to watch this full video here. You don't need to watch this till the end. No, you just wait for what is going down here. This video is available after 34 seconds. So this is 15 going to 16, 17, 18. So you just wait for it to be completed. So it's almost there. We've got 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So that's it. Then you click on complete. So as you can see, successfully completed. You receive 47 cents. So let's refresh our dashboard again. As you can see, that's our new account balance, which is $6.04. So that's just what you keep on doing. Now what you tend to realize is that if when watching the 4-hour feed video, maybe if you go back and you want to play the first video, that's video 1, you are being told this video is available after 23 hours and 57 minutes and 20 seconds. That means you need to wait for at least 24 hours before going back to the first video. Then this is where you need to be smart, because in each account where you have 61 cents plus 32 cents plus 47 cents plus 52 cents plus 56 cents, which is a total of $2.48. Imagine about having 20 accounts. If you're having 20 accounts, therefore you should be earning $49.06 in just few minutes. Now the thing is, you don't need to create 20 different email accounts. You don't need to do that. But so actually, what do you need to do? So first of all, let me log out of my account. So let's go out to log out. Then let's go back onto sign up. So what happens is, when you come to the side of email, let's say this is your email. Okay, this is the first email you started with. So what happens is, you could place a dot wherever you want to place a dot. So what happens is, when you place a dot, this email, whatever message is being sent to this email, letsbegin.d@gmail.com, is being redirected back to the original email, which is letsbegin.d@gmail.com. So that's what happens. So you could still remove that dot there and place it somewhere else, and that's still the same thing that happens. So that's a trick with Google, which I believe not so many people know about. So you could use this to create multiple accounts and be able to generate a lot of revenue just by watching of these videos online. So right at the beginning of this video, I spoke about a unique strategies no one is implementing with respect to this particular website, which you need to take the right opportunity right now and start implementing to be able to generate up to $500 a day just by using the referral link of this particular website. Referring a single person, you earn $1, but you might think that's quite low, but actually that's a lot, because I'm going to show you how to get thousands of people clicking on your referral link. The only thing which should be needed initially is a screenshot of your first payment, which might be $80 or $100. But right now, I guess you don't have a screenshot. So going on to Chrome and searching on Untapped payment proof, as you can see, the next thing we should do is to go on to images. You are going to see a lot of images there. So clicking on this, we have Untapped sent to $8 note from Untapped. So I guess we are doing this because you don't have an initial screenshot, so I'm just showing you an example. So you go ahead and download this. The next thing you should do is to go onto Facebook and search make money online, and you're going to see so many groups. So as you can see, I've just joined a lot of groups here just as an example, just to save time for the video. The next thing we do is to click on visit one of the groups. So getting to this group, you can see a lot of posts. Okay, so checking on one of the posts in this group, for example, $100 for browsing the web daily. They pay in PayPal, USD, bank transfer, ask me for the link and send up info. As you can see, this was posted just few hours ago, that's 14 hours ago. As you can see, you have 190 comments and so many people are interested. Some people are commenting interested. So let's just go and view more comments and see what's on it. As you can see, interested, I'm interested, link, how, I'm interested, guys. So as you can see, all you need to do is just to create an engaging post. Okay, all you need to do is just to create an engaging post and you are good to go. So let's go create a post. So creating a post, all you need to do is to write something like this: I earned $8 from this site by watching ads. It is totally for free. Comment how and I'll give you the details. I said $8 because on the initial screenshot which I had from what we downloaded on Chrome was of $8. So you click here and you get the image just downloaded and you paste it here, and you upload it there. Then you can click on post. So that's all on what you need to do. So finally guys, I've come to the end of the video, and I really appreciate if you watched till the end, and thanks for watching once more. And I really want you to implement this strategy. Don't just watch the video, but please try doing something about it. Try implementing the strategy if you could watch up to this point in time. And please don't forget to like my video and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Have a nice day and God bless you.